Misuse.
Because it's not valid before bloody 10 a.m. So I just didn't. Alright guys, good deal, level crossing in coats.
That MoFlash seems to have got faster.
Yeah.
Right, time is 14:31 and this is for...
The 14:32 Southeastern service from St Pancras International to Ramsgate.
And...
5 minutes apart. Oh, they're going other ways, of course they are. I was going to say.
And the...
14:38 Network Railway freight service from Tonbridge West Yard to Tunbridge West Yard.
run by more operators than the government are.
I still want to know how she can predict the platform change before it's even got into Tiger.
Mind you, once it's gone through, it then doesn't do itself.
Only every 15 minutes if it doesn't automatically refresh, which it will anyway. It's about 15 pop.
Of course, I tried to force redo the alteration for the Birmingham Turbo. I went into 4A at Peterborough.
Platform 2 for the 14:32 Southeastern service to Ramsgate.
Well, one says he's now in the platform. Yes, he is coming into the platform.
There's a light though.
Only slightly. No sign of the test train yet. That's busy. Mind you, half term has slightly just started. I said it's rather busy. Mind you, it's the last one before peak time. Because after this, the next high speed from London isn't until 17:30.
The joys and trains, they don't.
18:30. The next one from London is St Pancras Station. Because then between now and then, it's all 375s. Right, no sign of Dick and Jeanette coming from behind me. Have we got 12 on this? No. Just seems long from here. Right, let's have a look what this one is. Oh, he's not been delivered yet. 395011 Catherine Granger. Oh, Dick's coming from behind me. For Jeanette. one with that name on it.
The train now approaching platform 1. Does not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs. Hi guys, we're at deal level crossing in
Misuse. And he was about to misuse. Right, let me get over to the other side.
The time now is 14:44, and this is for our 1448 Network Rollers train service from Tunbridge West Yard to Tonbridge West Yard.
And we all know what's going to be leading out of Deal.
Really happy about with his girlfriend.
Oh, here it is.
Well, it's been there all along, is it not?
Right, leading the train, we've got 73962. 6263. 999550. 1256. 9523 and 73964 to Tunbridge West Yard. Isn't that on the Cotton Power Station line?